Why everyone is falling in love with Greenville, North Carolina, and what makes Greenville, North Carolina so special?
So people are moving here. It's one of the major attraction places to move in 2025. But the reasons might surprise you. Why are people flocking to our Greenville NC? So if you are curious about moving here, curious what makes this place stand out, we're going to talk about everything that makes Greenville special and one of the best places to live here in the eastern North Carolina.
We remember when the first time we wanted to visit the Greenville, North Carolina, it was not really on our radar, no? And we didn't hear any specific things about Greenville, and we didn't do a really deep research also about the Greenville. And we just we heard whispers about the small charm town that mixed with the city vibes. That's all we heard of. And also, of course, is a college town that my wife said.
But once we actually, drove in, we were like, oh, we could see here. And we actually decided we were gonna buy our home there. So it was actually a great idea. So, but let's just talk about Greenville and it basically special. What starts with Greenville is that the downtown Greenville is really kind of a nice place. It's compact, but it is definitely lots of activity and lots of restaurants and lots of stores and lots of stuff going on there. Evans and Dickinson have local cafes, breweries, and shops with character. You can go grab a coffee at Blackbeard's Roasters. You can go to or you can just go to Pitt Community College Brewing for a craft beer. You can see that it really feels like a local town because it is. You're getting a real sense of community by being able to go to the downtown area and just having lots of different types of food. And I don't know what you're looking for, what you like, but I know that having opportunities that are unique makes something fun. It's not just all the same stores that are everywhere in America. I like every store that's been in all of America, but I like the fact that I have new places as well. And then also, we also have, like, if you're looking for farm to table, we have farm to table. You have the Fording Chef. We definitely have, also there's a Starlight Jam if you're looking for like a diner area. And we do have all those chains that I was talking about, but we really do have fresh dishes that are really unique to North Carolina and Greenville, and that's something I just love to talk about food and drink.
Exactly. But as my wife said, the Greenville is not just about food and drinks. And one of the biggest that draws us is outdoor lifestyle. Because if you're looking,
Tell me more about that after our introduction. Let's hit it.
therefore, if you wanted to look at the outdoor activity, Greenville, for example, has Greenville Way that you can have a trail that you can jog in the park, and you become and it becomes your second home. You can go there and enjoy the nature, and also you can look at the South Tar River that stretches of miles along the river. Whether you are biking or jogging or just walking for leisure, no, that could be all the things that is unspoken. You need to have experience, go there, and then enjoy it yourself.
River Park North is another one that we like. Where you can just see lots of different activities and then very, very peaceful. No, let's move on. Let's talk about the Pirates.
Exactly. You wanted to start for the pirate?
I did not know before I moved here that Blackbeard had apparently retired in Bath, North Carolina, which is a really small town not that far from here. So there's a reason why we're like the Pirate Nation. And ECU, of course, has the Pirates. So when we're talking game day for school sports, really everything is purple, everything is Pirates around here. And if you're not a sports fan like me, I'm not necessarily the biggest sports fan, you still see all the purple and the Pirates, and you feel the vibrancy and you feel the excitement, and it's still a great feeling, even if you're not fully participating because you're like, I don't understand football, because I don't, to be entirely truth, but I like football. I just don't understand it too much. But the fact that people love it so much, you can feel it in the air, and it's just something I can't explain. But you really get swept up in it, and if you are a sports fan, well then join the college town.
Exactly. While the ECU or East Carolina University play a major role in the city culture, also
ECU,
now before was like a Wyden Medical Health or Wyden Health. The mid to the end of the 2024, actually they went all under the umbrella of the East Carolina University. Therefore, now you see that even the medical community that brings in lots of professionals and creating lots of job opportunities here is all under umbrella of the East Carolina University, and is really growing community, bringing lots of people, professionals with the more energy and also healthier environment.
And also for Greenville census communities, we love our festivals. Besides Pirate Fest that we were talking about before with the football, you do have your farmers market, your watermelon festival, your just we have lots of festivals. I mean, there's Shade Festival in Grifton. We just have lots of different ways we can celebrate the summer, celebrate the fall, where there's live music, local vendors, and good vibes. When you walk around, you really do feel you are in a place that is your just home. So we love it here. It's a place where it's affordable compared to other parts of North Carolina and definitely parts of the country. So you're getting the best of both worlds. You're getting a growing city. You're getting an evolving city, but it still has that small town charm where we can talk about all those fun festivals I was just talking about. So if you are looking to start a family, looking for new opportunities, and you just want to live somewhere with a sense of community, well, Greenville hits all the boxes.
Exactly. And if you wanted to know everything about living in Greenville, moving to Greenville, North Carolina, please look at all of our playlists that we put for you, hours and hours of the video and podcast that we recorded for you. And we try to give you all the information that you need to know about Greenville. And don't be shy to contact us and also subscribe in our channel. We love your support, and see you next time.